You'll be wondering why there's a sharpener beside the EZBIT stove. As you can see in the EZBIT stove, there's debris from the sharpener, which we can use to start fire. Now I'm going to show you how I light the fire up. After that, I will put the dry leaves on this to make the fire bigger. And always remember to use aluminium foil to keep the EZBIT stove clean. I finally started the fire. This is just a demo to show you how to start a fire using the magnesium fire starter. Now I'm going to show you what else I bring during my camping trip. I bring foldable table and also a tent. I'm not going to open the tent today, but in the next video definitely I'll show you how the tent looks like. This is the foldable table, which is easy to carry during camping. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, that's all I want to show you. See you in the next video. Bye.